It's a rare condition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. And love and tradition of the grand design, some people say, is even harder to find. Well, then there must be some magic clue inside these gentle walls. 'Cause all I see is a tower of dreams, real love bursting out of every scene. Days go by, we're gonna fill our house with happiness. Moon may cry, but we'll smother the blues with tenderness. Days go by, there's room for you, room for me, for gentle hearts and opportunity. As days go by, it's the bigger love of the family.
What's up, Rockets? I'm Brian King Hamilton.
And I'm Paige Godley.
And this is J-Rocket TV.
J-Rocket TV is now a multi-camera sitcom filmed in front of a live studio audience.
Our top story, in Paradise, Texas, Herschel Pearson lost his Dr. Pepper drinking donkey, Oscar, for 2 years when he was suddenly reappeared.
Oscar, whose job on the ranch was keeping wild hogs away, vanished without a trace more than 2 years ago from their farm located on County Road 3690, about 8 miles outside Springtown in Wise County.
Pearson checked with his nearby ranchers, called the local pound, and combed the area for Oscar, but to no avail.
It wasn't until this week that Oscar reappeared, apparently unharmed and, besides needing his hoofs trimmed, in good health.
Pearson wasn't sure it was really him until he opened a fresh can of Dr. Pepper. The donkey immediately began drinking it, just like old times.
In tech news, have you ever carved your initials on a tree? Well, NASA is planning on doing one better.
With the new Parker Solar Probe, NASA will send your name on a microchip to the sun.
The Parker probe will get much closer to the sun than previous probes and will be able to photograph and send data to the sun.
If you'd like your name on the microchip heading towards the sun, then make sure to sign up by April 27th on NASA's website.
And now here's Daniel Gill with the Grind My Gears segment.
Hey, I'm Daniel Gill. You know what really grinds my gears? Season finales that don't really end. They just leave you on a cliffhanger. They got you keep wondering. Whenever they just got a season.
What are you doing? Son, you stole my bit! You think you can take my segment?
And now, here's Quavon and Teo with this week's Word on the Street.
How do you feel about Tupac being found in Madagascar?
We all knew he was alive.
I don't really watch Madagascar stuff, so I can't really say. You know, he's with my boy Marty and the zebra and that giraffe over there. They living it up, you know, doing their thing, rapping and stuff.
I think that's crazy.
It's true.
It's true? Really?
Yeah, it's on the news. It's all over the news, man.
Tupac was
Happened
found
this morning. Yeah. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, man.
Like, I didn't believe it.
And he has evidence about Biggie's murder, too. I'm being dead serious.
Oh, bro, I already knew he was alive. I've been talking to him since like 2012, I think.
Pretty good. I mean, I hope he comes back sometime, you know.
What's your reaction to Kendrick Lamar performing at prom?
It'd be pretty nice. I think it would be pretty nice.
No, it's happening.
Oh, it's happening?
It's happening.
Kendrick. Oh God. Lamar.
Yeah.
Kendrick who? Kendrick Perkins, the ex-NBA player? Man, that thing live, man. He gon' be humble. Oh.
Bro, I feel amazing because Kendrick Lamar made that bomb Black Panther album, and all his songs are fire.
I definitely approve of everything.
What was that? Oh!
he's not. Liar, liar, plans for hire. Kendrick Lamar is not performing at prom. I don't pay attention to the announcement.
I think we should do that.
No, we're doing it.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
We got money, but we can't fix the AC.
It's gonna be live. It's gonna be live.
It's gonna be live, baby.
It's gonna be live.
Kendrick Lamar sucks.
Whoa, you're sweet.
I think if I'm gonna be paying like $40 or so, I might as well be seeing Kendrick. And we're going together, so don't ask me.
We're going to Morton's.
How do you feel about Vans going out of business?
Oh, what?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not a skater or a poser.
Oh, really? They are?
Yeah.
Too sad.
True.
And that's bad. We need them shoes, man. Vans are still in style, man. What y'all mean?
Awesome.
They're going out of business? That's trash. Oh, what? They're going out of business?
Yeah.
Why? Everyone's been wearing Vans. What are you talking about? I don't know why.
Yeah, they're going out of business.
It's sad. I'm sad.
I love you.
How do you feel about Sobs going out of business?
They're going out of business?
Yeah.
That's tough.
If you eat at Sobs, you're a dirty person.
What happened?
There's roaches in the kitchen, bro.
Roaches?
Yeah.
There's some good bugs.
Good. That place was trash anyways. Go to Dos Jaliscos.
R.I.P. Sobs. They some bozos. Am I right?
You're right, man.
Sobs is nasty in the first place.
Sobs? My taco place? On God. What happens?
This freaking sucks. I just went there like 2 weeks ago for the first time.
Man, it don't even faze me, man. Let me see the mic. It don't even faze me, cause I run it. I'm the one who make the tacos.
Get a real wing. Get a real wing. Go ahead and go to Sabrititos and get you a bean and cheese taco with some green sauce.
I feel like it's just traditional, you know? They suck anyways. You got roaches, got bugs. You can't be doing all that, you know? Get your life together. Maybe find another one. It's all good, though. Everything happens for a reason. Remember that.
Well, that's about all the time we have for today, Rockets. I'm Brian King Hamilton.
And I'm Paige Godley.
And this has been JRocket TV. To see more of our content, subscribe to our channel at youtube.com/JRocketTV.